Hi my friends, how are you? How are you doing? How's your day going? As usual, guys, today is not very usual because I will be opening this perfume. It's BADEE AL OUD Sublime. Don't you like this box, guys? So I already have black one of this one, which is BADEE AL OUD, and I really like that one. And then I got this one right now, and exists the white one too, which I never purchased before. And there is this another purple version which is supposed to be quite nice, but I never purchased before. I was quite tempted to get that purple one too, but I thought, let me try this one. You know, it's kind of a red bottle, and let's see how it goes. From the reviews and from the type of, you know, what I see, it seems that this one's supposed to be fruity scent, you know, scent, like a lot of fruits in this particular perfume. So I'm gonna tell you the notes as well. I haven't read a lot, but as far as I remember, I'll just first open this one. Okay, just 1 second, I will tell you those notes. It's supposed to be a perfume for man and for woman, but from the reviews I can guys see that not many people agree that it's for man. It seems like they say it would be more for women, maybe because of that fruitiness, you know. So in the notes, this perfume had apple, and then it had, you know, in the middle notes there was plum and jasmine, and in the base there was moss, patchouli, vanilla, and there was something else on the top of the notes. I can't remember what, guys. From what people say, like this perfume, like they say it's kind of mixture of a lot of fruits. Like imagine like you mix, they say, apple with whatever, some fruits, and mix, and then like add something else sweet and put it in the microwave, and they say it's gonna be like a punch of some kind of smell. A lot of people say that it's a bit too much, you know, and kind of they say that maybe those notes doesn't blend that well. That's what they say. And some other people, guys, say that it's similar to Kayali. There is some kind of perfume, Kayali apple, Eden apple, or something like this. Basically, there's very similar, and this one it's even better. The presentation of this perfume is brilliant, guys. I will open it for you. First, I'm gonna check as usual, guys. I love checking the expiration date because one time, and few times actually, I got expired products. So 2028 is the expiration date, and the production is 2023 October. So this is quite produced quite recently. I don't know, some people say you have to put perfumes to macerate, you know, like if you believe in this type of thing, it's actually a big topic. Like people really believe in this thing to keep perfumes, especially those perfumes with oud, you know, that's what they say. So the presentation is lovely, lovely, guys. It's a velvet, like it's such a lovely thing, guys. So BADEE AL OUD, this bottle is already like, you know, like I can just simply turn it for you, like, and you already kind of look at this velvety type of bottle. It's just such a lovely perfume. Like I didn't pay it as, you know, that much that, you know, as this bottle would be representing. Like really looks this perfume that would be costing at least 90 euro, you know, but it wasn't. It was way less, you know. So it's interesting. I really love this bottle, guys. Do you have any of the collection of this these ranges, you know, the black version, purple version, white version? Which one do you have? Let me know, guys. Let me know. So cannot feel anything. So yeah, as usual, guys, my first reviews could be just first reviews. I kind of within time only realized the you know, the beauty of the perfume. Like maybe I will not like this perfume right now, but I will realize it within time that maybe this perfume is quite nice, or maybe I will like it from the first go, but I will not like it after, you know. Let's see how it goes. So let's just see, guys. Okay, so first spray. Okay, maybe I will spray 3 sprays. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. So, so of course it's alcohol coming up, like, but I understand people say there's some sort of like synthetic, so fruity syntheticness type of feeling, you know, fruity. Let me just spray, guys. Just spray them. I saw one review by one lady, and she's very popular, and she has this perfume, and she said she loves it. So, not much surprising, I would say. Like nothing that actually would capture too much my attention. Some people say they notice this Baccarat Rouge vibe, as if it would be 20% Baccarat Rouge vibe there. Maybe, but not much. This perfume, guys, is completely different than the black version. So I think I much more prefer that black version, because the black version by BADEE Al Oud at least captured, the attention. The combination there is like really unusual, and this one, it seems very vague, kind of seems very light. Those fruits, the blend of fruits is not anything outstanding. I wonder, just I'm really trying to smell, really like trying to smell to understand, like at least it would give, like, let's say if I would be wearing it, like maybe on the cloth or somewhere. You know what it reminds me? Maybe people that they say, when they say that they give this Baccarat Rouge vibe, reminds me now a little bit of this, LATTAFA, Oud, this Oud, that white bottle, Musk. What's the name of that one? Oud, the white bottle of LATTAFA, you know. I can't remember which one is it, but basically it's as if it has this type of some sort of little bit of Baccarat Rouge vibe, not 20%, but I would say like 10% maybe, mixed with some sort of like a fruit. So that syntheticness comes from that 10% Baccarat Rouge vibe, but it topped up with some sort of fruits that are not quality fruits. The apple, is there any apple? There could be some sort of apple. Probably what is necessary with this perfume is to experience it more. Like this particular perfume, I really see the need to experience it more to judge it, because now I'm judging it, but maybe it's not correct way how to judge, because probably when I'm gonna be wearing this perfume, like on the type of in the real life occasions, I will be understanding something else, because maybe in the wind or in the sun, it will open up in some kind of better way. Overall, it's not overpowering, it's not overpowering. It's really as if like would be a little bit of Baccarat Rouge mixed with apple and with some sort of like a whatever, fruits, raspberries or whatever, and it's not overpowering. Oud, what's that perfume? Oh my goodness, guys, completely forgot. Oud, LATTAFA, Oud Musk, probably that's the one, isn't it? Oud Musk. Is there one? There is a white, red, and the black one. Anyway, guys, I will figure it out that name after. But so that perfume is kind of a little bit of that one mixed with fruits. It's super simple. Doesn't seem anything complicated. It doesn't really seem anything complicated. I like the name Sublime. It's as if, that's how they describe this perfume, is sublime. But this word like sublime, it seems like too powerful for what you are smelling, as a perfume. So like the word sublime seems better than actually what you smell in the reality, that's the thing. So so basically presentation of this perfume and that title, it seems better than the smell itself, unfortunately. But it's possible, guys, that I will be for sure be wearing this perfume a lot. It's not off-putting or anything, it's easygoing perfume. It's probably I could wear it in the work occasion, which is pretty nice, to wear in the work occasion, like something easygoing that would be not too much Baccarat Rouge, because I already have Baccarat Rouge options, so many of them type of situation. Like it's not of putting, not of putting easygoing perfume. So that's the situation. How do you experience this perfume, guys? Which one is better in your occasion? Like, let's say if you have that BADEE Al Oud black one, do you recommend for other people to purchase any other one? The one that, let's say, I was a little bit curious, that purple one, but at the same time, they say purple one is similar to the black one, so it's no point of buying. And this, I can confirm you that this red one is nowhere near similar to any black one, and the black one is much better. This is completely different, but it's not of putting. There is a high chance, guys. There is an extremely high chance that I will be talking about this perfume way better than I'm talking it right now, because I need to experience it in the real life situation. And by the way, as time is passing now, probably I'm starting to like this perfume a little bit better because of that easygoing type of scent. Apple with fruits, like not too strong, like easy to pull off. It's like not nothing too strong. Like there could be perfume with oud, that synthetic note, as people say. There is, but it's not of putting as well. So overall, the situation is not bad. Like maybe you really want to purchase this perfume because the way it looks. Give it a go, guys, if you want. Just don't expect anything outstanding. Just don't expect. So that's it, guys. I'll come back to you another time. I hope I helped you in some way, and like this video as usual, and see you soon. See you soon, guys.